Hey everybody, it's day number 9, May 9th, and you just saw the weather outside. It's quite awful. It's actually supposed to be like this all day, and then we actually have a wind warning for this evening where winds will get up to 100 kilometers an hour. If you've noticed in my videos of checking out the weather, I usually do it from the window of my deck, and I've actually, due to the winds that's going to happen tonight, I've actually strapped our barbecue down because the barbecue just has been in the middle of the deck so far. So I've attached it to the deck, as you can see here. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's attached there. It's going to be a windy night. Today I'm not really going to be doing too much. I'm going to try to relax. So I think today I'm just going to show you some food stuff. We are going to make some pancakes this morning for brunch, I guess, since it's almost 11 o'clock, or what time is it? Yeah, 10:30 here. So it's going to be a brunch. We're going to do pancakes, so I'll show you that. And then I think this evening for supper, we're going to have homemade nachos. So I'll probably take you through that this evening, and that will probably be the vlog. So yeah, that's pretty much today. Probably a pretty short video for the most part, and we'll check in later when I start making the pancakes. Okay, everybody, so I'm about to get started with making these pancakes, and I'm about to make the easiest pancakes in the world that taste the best. I mean, these Krusteaz buttermilk pancakes from Costco, the mix is so easy to make, and it is so simple. You just need the stuff from the package, some water, and then you mix it together, and then you throw it on a pan or this griddle that I've got here. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So I think today I'm going to make 2 batches. So all I need is 2 cups of the Krusteaz flour. Well, it's not really flour, pancake mix. And then just a cup and 1/3 of water, and that's it. It makes 12 to 14 pancakes. I'm a little fatty, so I like to eat lots of this stuff. So I'm going to mix this stuff together. I'll probably do a little time lapse to show me doing that, and that's it. And it's so interesting that Costco can be really good for some things and really bad for others. But one thing that they do consistently do is no matter what you really buy there, it's very, very, it's very, very consistent in what you get there. It's really good quality, and this is a testament to it. It was like $10 for this massive big thing of pancakes, like mix. It's incredible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll see me making this stuff in a second, and then I'll show you the end result. One thing I forgot to mention about making this is once you've mixed the batter, or once you've made the batter, as you can see here, you let it sit for a minute or so, I think. Let it stand for 2 minutes, and I think it just thickens up. And then once that's done, I'm going to put it over onto the griddle, and we're gonna make some. All right, so I decided not to do a time lapse because I do not have a good angle of the cooking area here. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So per the directions, you use a quarter measuring cup, and use that to make the pancakes. I'm probably gonna make a mess here, but let's try to get this. So what I tried to do is get a full, I just got a call, and I stopped my video, but as you can see, there's the first pancake. There we go. I don't know, maybe I'll just show this. I don't have that much to do today, so. All right, there's the third one. This is very difficult with one hand, but all right, I think we're gonna get 6 on this one. We're cooking pretty quickly. Sorry for my camera skills. Still getting used to it. The rest are on the package. It says that it should be I think a minute and a half on each side. So, all right, I'm going to stop here, and that will be it. Okay. All right, here's the second batch of 6, and we're getting close to being done. So, in 1 second, and here is the finished product. All right, everybody, it is supper time. So tonight we are making nachos. So, and it's not going to be quite the same as we usually do, because I forgot to get something in the groceries this week. But anyway, here's everything I'm going to use to make these nachos. This is we've got our ground beef, some cheese, some green onions, and then our taco chips. This is going to be used to cook the ground beef up. I'm cooking all of this ground beef because I think we're going to do tacos for suppers this week. So I'll just cook this all up and we'll use it, and it'll be good. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to start cooking the ground beef, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to shred the cheese and cut up all the green onions. And the thing that I missed during the that we typically put on our nachos, it's pretty basic. Is green pepper. We like green pepper, and so I forgot that this week. So it's going to be a bit basic this week. So here we go, and I'm going to start cooking. Okay, I am done the green onion, and I've got all the cheese ready. I probably won't use all that for the nachos, and I'll use some of it for the tacos for the week. And I am heating up the ground beef, which is going to take a while, so I'll stop here and pick it back up whenever I put the nachos on here and put it in the oven. Alright, so I've decided that I'm also going to put bacon on the nachos. Let's go all out since we didn't get the green peppers. Let's put something else on, and why not go with bacon? Alright, everything is done now. I just got to put it on the pan and throw it in the oven. I will do a short time lapse of me putting it together. All right, and here is the finished product. All right, everybody, it's the end of day 9, May 9th, and it's the end of the vlog. So we'll see you tomorrow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are liking my videos so far, please subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.